Good.
You understand? And
The thing about Amari, you know, my life will change in the twinkling of an eye, and you know, now get no warning. You understand? You know, like you're in a grade 3 and end up in a grade 4, you know, now go see it coming. You know, go feel some man, you know, up on the same level. And get up one morning and I'm up on a new dimension. I want him to, you know. Sure. Now I tell you. The biggest, the baddest in a dance hall, Amari DJ Mona Lisa. I got hot up in a blood clot. Watch me run this race. Yeah, there is a gate in life, and it so happened that one cannot pass that gate unless they pay their dues. If someone do good for you, you gotta pay your dues to that person. Then you can move on. All right, check it out now. You know the story in the Bible where this individual, I don't really know Bible name and all of that, but him basically after work 7 years forget this girl. Man,